Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix GCash can't login problem. So, anytime you open up your GCash app and you try to log in, or it always says it can't log in, can log in, or can't send OTP, right? So how are you going to fix this? You have to close up your GCash app and you click on your phone settings. So once you click on your phone settings, you scroll down to apps, click on apps, and you search for GCash, or you can scroll down just like this. So you click on GCash. Once you click on GCash app, you have to start by putting it on force stop first. Then after doing that, you scroll down to where you see storage, you clear your cache, and once you clear your cache, it's going to help out. So once you do that, you go to your Play Store or Apple Store, then you search for GCash. GCash. So once you click on that, it's going to see, okay, you're going to see an update. That is, if there's any update you need to do, you're going to see that, and you have to update your GCash app. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.